Hello everyone, my name is Communities Florence. I'm a new fellow at Hello World. As you can see behind me, we are packing, ready for the trip. So in there, see you there. So at the beginning of this project, we started it on Monday. People really shown interest, but the more we carried out these engagements, people really turned out. They also encouraged their friends to come in, join us, and people were asking a lot of questions. People really love what we are doing, and all of them are asking, when are we handing over the hub to them, because they can't wait to use and to see the things we promised.
We are doing a construction of a hub where they are going to install free internet, and this internet, it is going to help us a lot in various ways, how to communicate to those people who are from far and the schools. It is also useful to use this opportunity to make researches for the students.
Really hope that by Friday we are going to finish everything and hand over the hub to the community. So as you can see, today basically we laid the foundation, we also laid the seed, and as you see physically, our community is participating. By the end of today we shall be done, and I can't wait on Friday to see the whole hub being set and handed over to the community. Wow, so excited! As you can see in the background, that is our last build. So I do appreciate the people who gave me this opportunity, and that's Hello World, because I've really learned a lot from this build. I've learned the engineering part of it, the electrical part of it. I've also learned the civil work, of which involves construction. So I do encourage girls outside there, please be part of these builds, because we are moving in many different parts of Uganda, and in case we are in a particular place, come up.